Hi guys, welcome to Explain Me How. In this video, we're going to show you ways to know if someone muted you on Instagram. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos like these. First, open your Instagram app and then go to Messages. From here, to show you guys, I will send some messages to my other account. As you can see, I'm sending the messages right now. After that, I will log in to my other account. As you can see, this is the account that I sent messages to. Now, I'll just confirm the request from my other account and then add a story on this account to demonstrate. I'll just choose a random picture from my gallery and then put it on my story. Now, as you can see, the story is added. Now, I'll go to Messages and then select the chat from my other account. From here, I will tap on Profile and then select Mute Messages and then Mute Calls. Once it's done, I will switch back to the other account. And now I will go to Messages. As you can see, there are no replies. But as you can see, I can still see their story. So if you can see their stories or post on Instagram, but you're not getting any replies, that probably means that you're muted from that side. Note that you cannot know exactly for sure, but this is probably the best way to make a guess. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was useful. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe to get notified for new videos. We are dropping new videos every day to help all of you.